Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide blog posts and pages from search results in the theme on your Shopify. As for me, I'm currently using the Dawn theme, which I got for free from the theme store. So at the top search bar, type Search and Discovery. Click on the Search and Discovery app, and from the App Store, click on Install. Don't forget to grant permissions, click install again, and you can pin it on the left side panel so we can access it much easier. So inside the Search and Discovery app, go to the settings. From here, look for the search results. Use the options for what content shows up in search. Here, you can disable blog posts, pages. There you go. These are the two things that you'll have to disable. This will hide those items from your store's internal search result. You can scroll down to predictive search results and uncheck blog posts and pages there as well, so they don't appear in suggestions while typing. Once you've selected what you want to hide, simply click Save right here. There you go. These settings are saved. Then your blog posts and pages will no longer appear in the search results on your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.